Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix save button not working on Ladder. So if the save button isn't working on your app, on your iPhone, iOS, it's usually caused by a loading glitch, internet issue, or a temporary app bug. So actually guys, first you will need to check your internet connection. To do that you will need to swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone and then just tap and hold this section. So here what you want you to do is to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, even turn it on and off the airplane mode, and try again after confirming stable internet. Also guys, the really advice to force closing or open the app, and to do that you will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just close Ladder completely, and to do that swipe it up. And now you will need to wait a few seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, and reopen the app as well by tapping it, of course. And now try saving again. So if the issue is still going on, you will need to restart your iPhone as well, so this clears temporary system issues that can block buttons from working. Also guys, I do really advise you to wait a few seconds before tapping save, so sometimes the app is still processing inputs. So finish editing, wait 5 to 10 seconds, and then tap save once. Also guys, I really advise you to disable the low power mode, and to do that you will need to swipe up from the top right or swipe down from the top right of your phone, and then go and turn off that option. Okay, and if it still doesn't work, it may be a temporary app and server bug, so wait a few minutes and retry, or even you can contact the support on that email. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.